Hi, back with another video. This is what I got from the BTS Mott's pop-up store in Hawaii. No, I didn't go to Hawaii, but my friend actually picked up some items for me. Thank you. Sadly, a lot of the items were sold out later in the day, so if you do plan to go, make sure you pick an earlier time slot. This is a bracelet that comes free with every purchase. It's like a cute little throwback item. I got this sock pack. It's the Stripes sock pack number 1. This was $24 USD and it comes with 3 socks, a white, gray, and black pair. I love long socks. I think they make any outfit super cute, so I was super excited to get these. The quality is pretty nice and thick, which is good, and I love the pouch that it comes in as well. This next item was more of an impulse buy for me, the padding blanket. This was $42 USD, which is on the more expensive side for a small blanket, but I was hoping I could bring it to a future BTS concert if they ever go back on tour. I will be using it as a cape if they go on tour and I'm able to get tickets to a concert, so if you see someone with this blanket cape, it might be me. I love that it came with a pouch to store the blanket in, such a smart idea. The blanket itself is actually pretty nice. It's a bit small, so I would never be able to use this to actually cover my full body, but it's nice nonetheless. I love that it has a logo all on one side and purple on the other side. You can switch it up depending on your mood, you know. The blanket has the metal button clasps, so you can turn it into a cape easily without having to worry about how you'll tie it, so I'm very excited to use it. But yeah, those were the 2 items that I got. 3 of you include the bracelet. I really wanted the holiday mug and some pins, but they didn't have that in stock, but I still really love what I got and I can't wait to use them. And that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment if you got anything from the Mott's pop-up, and subscribe for more videos. Bye!